In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit display and brightness. Now scroll again, this time to hit font. And operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. When you finished, hit apply and go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!